May peace be upon you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Diazonic Labs. Hope you are all doing good and hope you are all safe at home. If you are new to our channel, request you to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our free tutorials. Okay, so let's quickly begin with the topic for today, that is blinking an LED using the Arduino and the Arduino software. So let's begin with the connections. The connections are pretty simple. I'll be taking an LED on pin number 13. So I hope you can see the connections or the circuit diagram on the screen. So I've put a fritzing here. Okay. So as you all know, our LED has two legs, the positive leg and the negative leg. The longer one is positive, the shorter one is negative. The positive one goes to pin number 13 and the shorter one, negative one, goes to ground. Okay. So that's all with the connections. Now we'll plug our Arduino to our laptop using the USB cable. Okay. Okay, that's all with the connections. Let's begin with the programming part. I'll be opening the Arduino software. Yeah, it will take 4 to 5 seconds. Yeah, so my Arduino software is open. So whenever my Arduino software is opened, I'll have to always take care of two things. Okay, so I'll go to tools and I'll check if my COM port is selected. Okay, so for me it is COM 4. For you it may be COM 5, COM 3, any COM. Okay, make sure any of the COM should be selected. It depends on computer to computer and port to port, and I'll have to always make sure that my board is Arduino Genio Uno. Okay, so in my case it is Arduino Genio Uno. So in your case it can be any of the Arduino boards, no problem. So that's all. Okay, so let me start programming. Yeah, okay, I'll remove the comments here. Yeah, so pin mode in camel case, I'll write my pin number, which is digital pin 13, and I'll write output because my LED is a output device. I can see the LED glow, correct? If it was any sensor, it would have been input, okay, because we are retrieving data from the sensor. Okay, so here need not worry about the sensors and all. So here it is output device, so I'll be writing it output. After this, digital write 13 is my pin number again, and the state of the pin. Okay, so here my state of pin number 13 is high. Okay, so this is nothing but a code for LED on. I want it to blink, correct? So I'll give a delay of 1000. So here 1000 is in milliseconds. So if I give 1000, it is nothing but 1 second. And again, digital write in camel case 13 comma low, and the delay is again 1000 milliseconds. Yeah, so that's all with this code. Let me compile it. Yeah, and let me upload it now. Uploading, and yeah, done uploading. So I hope you can see my LED will blink only once. This is because my code is in void setup. What I'll do is I'll just copy these 4 lines and paste it in void loop. Okay, yeah, so I'll compile and upload it. Uploading, and done uploading. I hope you all can see the LED is blinking continuously. This is because my main code is in void loop. Void loop is nothing but infinite. It will go on. Okay, So that's all. I hope you have understood this. This is very easy, no problem. If you have any doubts or queries or any questions, you can write it in the comment section below. Okay, so I'll try my level best to answer it as soon as possible. Thank you and take care.